Hello there, this is Jed, and I'll be testing out the SaneWave tuning fork here, the Solfeggio 528 Hz tone. So this is a little bit of information on tuning forks, how you could work with them. And now we're opening up the box and taking out the fork. Here we go. So it's the note called Mi in the Solfeggio scale, which is frequency of 528 Hertz. And Mi is short for miracle. So this is often referred to as the miracle healing tone, also the DNA repair healing tone. Okay, so that was pretty smooth, and this is a healing tone that we can use in our aura. So you can put the tuning fork in your energy field, and you could also put it up to your ear, so you could do this. And we could also put the tip of it on our body. And it's a nice way to kind of calm and harmonize our energy field. So tuning fork therapy is a valuable form of vibrational energy healing. For those that are interested in learning more about different forms of healing with sound, with light, with chi or prana or vibration, you can visit www.phinsights.com. That's the website with my healing resources. For now, I want to wish everyone a wonderful day. Namaste.